Two-factor authentication not working on Stockpile Fix. If your two-factor authentication is working on the Stockpile app, you're not alone. This is one of the most common login issues users face. But here's the good news. In most cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. First, let's tackle the number one cause: your device's clock. Go to your phone settings and make sure set time automatically is switched on. Two-factor authentication codes are time-based, and even being off by a few seconds can cause them to fail. Next, update your Stockpile app. Open the App Store or Google Play, search for Stockpile, and install the latest update. Outdated versions can lose synchronization with Stockpile security systems after software updates. If you're waiting on some code that never arrives, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and disable any VNAs you might be using. Sometimes, network settings block automated text messages from reaching your phone. Using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, open it, head to Settings, and look for Sync Time for Codes. That one adjustment can instantly fix most mismatches. If none of that works, try logging out of Stockpile, uninstalling the app, and reinstalling it. This clears out corrupted login data and refreshes your connection to Stockpile's servers. When you reinstall, re-enable two-factor authentication carefully using your current device. And if you've lost access to your authenticator or changed phones recently, tap Can't Access Two-Factor to start the account recovery process with Stockpile's support. Once you've synced your time, updated the app, and refreshed your setup, your two-factor authentication should work perfectly again. Remember, this small step is what keeps your Stockpile account and your investment secure, so it's always worth the extra minute to fix it properly.